Thank you so much. Welcome for yet another episode of Computer Skills by me, Augustine Obakene. Uh, I am going to be taking you through in this session. Want us to look at PowerPoint presentation. When we talk about PowerPoint presentation, that means whatever content we are going to give out using this presentation, we look at specifically the key points in the content. But before we go there, this is our PowerPoint page, and as you can see, we have very many different layouts of our PowerPoint page. For instance, when you come here, you have a variety, and it is it is your wish to choose whatever type whatever type of the layout you want to use. For example, you can use this. You can use this. You can also select this. This one gives provision for content on both sides. You can also use here where you have content with a caption. You can also use this type where you can have your picture on one side and the content on the other side. So as you can see, we have very many types of layouts. We have this one which is also completely blank. So let's suppose we want to use this, and this is the first slide, which gives us provision for the title. For instance, let's say the title of our work is the prevalence of dental caries. Prevalence of dental caries. Yes. So, after having had the title as the prevalence of dental caries, then in the next, you have to talk briefly about you as the presenter. For example, in this case, say by Dr. Obakene Augustine by Dr. Obakene Augustine. You can add your qualifications: DPhD, MPH, MBCHB, yes. So this is our first slide, which will tell us about the prevalence of dental caries as presented by Dr. Obakene. So that is already our beginning slide. So we can go ahead and then we add on another slide. This slide is basically just telling us about the topic and the presenter. So in the second slide, if you want to add another slide, you can just come here, say new slide, and there it comes. You click there, and then you could just go to new slide. But there are very many other ways that you can use to add on other slides. So in this case, we can now move to the main reference. We can say the subtitle, create a subtitle, say prevalence You can say prevalence by gender. Then you can create your other text. So you can write a number of things. After that, after having known how to open the page and the content that you're supposed to put in each of those PowerPoint pages. Remember, this is PowerPoint. We are considering the power of the point. We may be having a series of points in whatever you want to discuss, but what we want here is the key point, the driving point to the content that you want people to know. Now, having done this, we have very many other functions. For example, if you want to design your PowerPoint, you come up here, click on design. It will give you several other types, which you'll just click on. For example, that you can also choose that. You can choose that depending on what you want. Yes. Okay. Other than that, we also have animations. We have animations. Then we have the slideshow. Now, when you go to slideshow, this one, it will give you options. You want the slides to begin from where? Is it from the first slide or from the current slide that you're on? If you want it from the first slide, then you can come to from the beginning, as you can see. So you can just keep moving, just like that. If you want to exit this, you go to escape, it takes you back. You press escape button, it takes you back to your previous work. If you want from the current slide, you click on current slide, then it definitely takes you there. You can keep going back or forward or whatsoever you want. Just like that. So there are a number of other, you can apply a lot of other more things in your work. Like, for instance, say you want to bold this. If you want your work bolded, say we can apply all these other features that we have. You just a matter of highlighting that, and then you come here and make it bold. You will want to adjust on the font. Yeah, you can as well adjust the font just by going to the font box, like that. So this makes your work easier. You can manipulate a lot of a number of things here, coupled with, of course, combining with your knowledge that you other preliminary knowledge of computer applications. You can do a lot of things using this PowerPoint presentation. So there are other options you can choose from down here. Do you want your work to be segmented like into two? Do you want yes. So you see, it makes this work very easy. Having gone through this, I want you to pay attention to my next presentation. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.